Hello, good evening, good morning. You are in America. Uh, we are going to trade the US session. The European section was so ugly, and actually, I tried to analyze that uh, my trades in the German in this, and I find out that actually I was thinking to take the short side of the trade, but I really don't know why I did not, and I should have taken shorts. But I think something related to the live itself. I'm not used to trade live, and normally when I trade with myself, I can change my opinion immediately. But when you are trading online, it's not easy really to change the bias. I don't know why. It's a little bit psychological, but I will get used to it. I will just survive until I'm used to trading live, and slowly. December trading is a little bit hard, but it's okay. We can survive, and we can stay above water until things gets better. So let's have a look on to the DAX, and welcome for the one and only current viewer. And I think it's my dear mate. Most welcome, and nice to see you here. So let's start. We have 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes for the market to open. We are expecting actually the OMC meeting by, I think, after 3 hours, 4 hours. But right now, I think there is no high impact news except from Canada, but we have nothing to do with the Canadian dollar or so. They are also announcing the overnight rate, and we have by 11:30 crude oil inventories. It is a little bit related to gold, oil, maybe a little bit of dollar, but doesn't really affect the Dow Jones much. So I think that's it. Let's just focus on the chart. See what the market is preparing for now. Not sure how will be the reaction at the open of the market. I have actually one bullet. I'm reaching my almost like near my daily stop, and I don't want to really to breach the rules. I still have plenty of space actually to recover. I just want to trade this US section in smaller size, half contract. If the price was giving some good maybe signals, and our first position is in profit, I might try to add in case, but it's all depend. But my size will be just half contract, and I will not go more than like 30 point stop. So my entry should be from the entry to the stop loss no more than 30 points, and one only trade. If I miss it, I will be out for the day, and I will trade tomorrow again. Actually, I'm analyzing my mood for today. I'm not feeling really well mentally. I have some stuff running on my head, so market is on. See, let's watch. Look at the first 5 minutes. It's actually 32 points, but still give it some time. Actually, the overall the trend is actually heading lower, but because of the news, because of the interest, trend might flip. Let's see. Actually, we miss around 30 points. In here, long. Oh, right. Stop. This. First push actually might give good signal for maybe reaching the high of the day, at least. If we get some profit here, I think again for another setup. So this high here before the open, it just went above around maybe 10 points and go down immediately. There's a little bit of volatility these first 2 minutes. Price is back to the closing of yesterday. I think yesterday price closed at 47,540. The price is trying to go through, but it's failing for the moment. We tried to go lower. I think in the London session it went back above, and just before the open, I think the last 10 minutes went under again and tried to bounce back in the open. So I'm not sure if price will just keep pushing to go higher, or might be go visit the low of today and break it down, or maybe bounce back. So let's see. I think we jump in so early. I wish I was waited, like I waited for some time before I entered this trade. It's too late to decide right now. I think I'm out already. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, with 18. Okay, let's wait. I'm actually breaking my first rule, which is I said I will have only one trade, but I think I entered early. Let's go back to our 5-minute. Let's wait for this 5 minutes to close, and we'll decide if we can go another trade. I think I will try to make my risk less than the first 20. That's so much. Yeah, price is just screaming down. To the higher time frame to see if the price breaks from here. I think we'll all the way. Let's see this previous week was 150 points, 70 point, halfway. Actually, that's a good point to enter. Back again to the 5 minute. Let's wait for another push. Yeah, I'm in. Let's give it like 20 points. Even it's so tight compared to volatility. The size actually of this opening candle was point, and I'm putting my stop loss in 20 points, which doesn't really make any sense, but I don't want to risk more than that. As well as we said, our take profit will just be to the high of the day. If the price moves back up, I will just move my stop loss to break even. And I hope this session will not be that much short, because actually if this stop is hit, I will just call it a day. Hopefully we can see some rejection from here. We will have some entertainment going up, hopefully. Because if it went just directly to my stop, I will just stop trading and wait for another day. Extend my take profit to this level. It's actually pushback from this low is looking so good. Might stop to this week here, I think around 12 points. Hey buddy, nice to see you. How are you? How was your day? I hope you survived the German session, the London session, and you are back here to trade the New York. Stop here. Hopefully this rejection will bring more buyers, expecting the news that will be good for indices to rally, or at least to move higher a little bit. Yeah, it was ugly morning. It's okay. I really don't connect the days together. That was in the morning, now we are in the afternoon or the evening, so we just have another mindset and just trade like nothing happened in the morning. So yeah, if you want to take a break, if the morning was not really that good, just maybe watch me trade. Even me, I was thinking not to trade the New York session, but I decided to trade, but with the really minimum risk. My first trade was, I think, a loss of like 18. Second one right now is running like positive, but let's see, the market will give us. So the second 5 minute after the open was okay. And the price right now is back above the closing of yesterday. Hopefully it will stay there for maybe this next 5 minutes, so we can expect the price will really go up. But if it fails to stay above the closing, I think we'll just take profit and wait again for some closing above to enter another long. Yeah, that's the best thing to do actually after like losing session, just to stop trading maybe for a day or two, whatever makes you feel like reset. And again, you will be back and you'll be fresh. And actually, because I was saying something, I think before, you're right, that trading like live, it's another psychology burden, you know. Because when you are trading and you are telling your like your bias and stuff, normally that bias that you tell to people that are watching you, it sticks there, and it's hard for you to change it easily. So like in the afternoon when I was trading the London session, I was thinking like, why don't I go short? Because I see really a lot of selling pressure, but I don't know why I couldn't take the decision and change my mind and go short. I would have make good money with the moves, but my brain, I think, was just stuck with the long bias. I started with the session, and it was hard for me to change it. Actually, this is a new thing to learn because I never been trading live. I just trade myself. I don't have anybody to like watching me or something, so I can just flip the bias from long to short like nothing. But now I think it's not that easy to trade live. It's okay. I will use to it, and I will try to maybe get better on to not care and change the bias without fear of like looking maybe, oh, you quickly was saying that you are long, but now you are changing to short. So it's something to learn. Go down to the 5 minutes. Actually, this fake out down, it's really positive for long. 50 plus. So to the 1 minute, hopefully to find small spot to add one more. To add one more position. There's a little pullback. First position is already break even. We just don't want to see again another like deep pullback. Yeah, that's you are right. Actually, when you are trading and you know that people are watching you, but it has like, you know, double edged sword. You know, from one side of like managing your risk and things like that, it's positive, it's good. But as I told you, as I explained what happened to me for the London session today, like I had an idea. Like I'm thinking, why don't I go short? But I think because I was talking about my long bias when we started, I couldn't easily change my view and change to short, you know. And this is the negative side of trading like live, and like when you see that people are watching you, So this is the negative side of it. But I think it's just something that you can learn, something that you can use to. I think you are watching Tom Hogarth. Actually, for him to flip the side is becomes so easy because you have been long time trading like live. So for him, it's really easy to flip. For me, it's still it's my second week. I think I did not even finish like 2 weeks trading live. So I think I need just some time to get used to it. I think if there's little pool here, I will just take another long. I will add to this position. Just move my stop loss a little bit higher. Hopefully this move will continue. After this add, I'm thinking where to exit. Might exit manually if I see some weakness. If I see some really strong close above here, I might even add more. This is a really good spike. Hopefully it will continue. We are approaching the close of the first 1 hour. Our look a little bit good. Hopefully the breakout from here will be aggressive and will push the price back higher. Hopefully. I really want to get the maximum of this position. Yeah, you can try. I will watch you. Just tell me when, like, you are thinking to go live. I will not trade. I will just watch you and comment and see what you are doing. Even you might make it even private, like only you and maybe if you know some friends to invite or something like that. And give it a try. It will be very, stressful for the first time. If you are not used to go live and stuff like that. Sure what is holding the price in this level without breaking above. And I don't want to see some like choppy price before the FOMC. Giving back some profit. Last 10 minutes of 1 hour. It's positive closing actually above the overnight, on the top of the range of the night. I mean above the closing of yesterday. Really wish to see some really push above. Go down to the 1 minute. Normally in the technical analysis, for the trend to change, first push is like high, price pullback, and we normally to reverse, we should see push here and closing with like negative candle with long wick. That's signal for the trend change, which is this small trend here. But this is actually still look bullish. It was just break and actually the price immediately goes back again positive. So hopefully it will continue. I don't want to get out of this position and price will just skyrocket and, you know, put on my take profit side. Yeah, just tell me whenever you want to do that. I will watch you. You can give it a try. Hopefully there will be some rally here. I think I will get out right now. Okay, because normally the price had this stop under the high, the previous high. Let me show you. We can see here this pullback started before we reached this high. So I'm thinking let's take some profit in this high and wait until we see some confirmed like breakout in here, then we might go long again. Actually this take profit was really in the right time. So we could really profit in the very top of this level. Actually we recovered some from the London, from the ugly session. Remove this history and from this I mean trading history and wait for some time for this 1 hour to close. We have another silent viewer. Please say hi. It's only us here. There is no, you know, outsiders. Say hi, hello, tell us if you are trading or if you are just watching. What's your strategy? What are you planning? What's your bias? Did we catch the move? Hey, that's you. Why are you silent today? Nice to see you, man. Actually, we catch the majority of this move. Hope there is some like big volume coming in here. Yeah, you are at work. It's okay. God bless. I'm just watching silently. It's fine. Thank you for being here anyway. You know, it's just feeling good to see that you are here, even if you're just watching in silence, so it's okay. Just say hi next time, so we'll not bother you if you are working. So we'll just know that you are here, and that's more than enough. Yeah, I think the breakout is happening. I'm not sure if it's the real breakout or it's really hard to decide when you are expecting news. That's beautiful push. Let's wait for this 1 hour to close first if we are going to open another position. between the 1 hour time frame. This level is very important. Not sure how the reaction from here will be. There was a sell-off from this around 400. After the breakout from that level, the price went 300 points. Another maybe bounce back. It's 300. It's really crazy level to trade. I'm still confused what if I'm going just to bet to the top. Let's wait or rush. Prices are roaring. Might try to go long after this 1 hour close if the price try to like retest this level. I want to risk the minimum actually. I don't want to just jump in. So hopefully we can see some positive closing, and actually the volume is okay. Maybe the first 5 minutes will have a little push to retest this level, then maybe continuation. But if it just keep going up, it's really hard to trade. You know how hard when you see that you're already out of the trade and it's like going your direction almost 60 points. But we really can't just jump in. It's really hard. It's risky because to put any like stop should be at least under this breakout level at 75 points, which is too much. So let's just see. We have 1.5 minutes for this 1 hour closing. Price is trying to push down to the same level. The last, let's say, 1 minute. Let's go down to the chart. Looks like a continuation. We can't confirm before this 1 hour closes. Fifteen more seconds. Okay, the first 1 hour closes very positively. Please give us some chance to get in. It's a little push, so our risk will be minimum. Thinking that this pullback will not be really enough to give us a good entry. But let's be patient. We already recovered some in this session, so we should not be in rush. Just watch. You will excuse me just for maybe a few seconds. I will just drink some water. Yeah, I'm back. I think we can scalp this movement. Just go on full contract. Thinking to quickly just enter here. See how many points to slow here. 17. We just trend today. Let's try to catch few moves. Or maybe under this price will be perfect to jump in. Seconds. 2 more seconds. Oh. Actually, entry here at 6:30 will be just perfect and will give us only like 15 points risk. So maybe this just be more patient. If we miss it, we miss it. We are already okay with today. I'll just put my finger on the trigger in case the price reached that level. I will jump in. And if the trend is too much strong and was not able to revisit that, then it's hard to trade it like just to the upside with no good risk. Need to see some quick spike down here and one more push harder. The price is really struggling to go lower. This trend will be so strong until the announcement, then you will see some great shake-up. We did not get trade entry, bucket. Because I noticed actually that the volume also was shrinking while this price was going down. But I thought maybe we'll have a small spike down so we can get good entry, but let's have a look if we can see some good volume coming into this candle. We can enter, and our stop loss will be just below the wick. Okay, one more push to the downside. Come in. Let's move my stop loss to this wick here. There was one little push to the upside with higher volume. This might be the continuation start. Thank you. Push harder. Actually, and the next candle was big green candle but lower volume. So that's a signal that no more sellers are coming to push the price harder. Only few buyers managed to take the price higher, so maybe this is it out here. Small scalp. Another 17 points. Sorry if you are hearing some body barking. I have a beast. On taking care of a beast. Actually, we recovered some of the bad day. If there is some news coming by 11, I think I'll just refresh the Forex Factory. Actually, in Canada, there was no rate cuts. Actually, looks really good candle. Just it will take time to play if you are going to wait for the price to have some really significant movement, and I don't want to stay in front of the chart for so long. Yeah, okay, take care. Even me, I think I will call it a day. I will just see you tomorrow. I think I will not trade. I feel a little bit tired, and I think I will just do something else. Thank you for being here. Take care, and I wish you some successful meeting. I think I will just stop. Maybe I will just have a look later on the FOMC meeting. I'm not going to trade for sure. I don't trade the big news, so take care, and maybe I will try to go live also. Maybe we can trade like 15 minutes after the announcement or something, but until now there is no like sure plan. Take care. I'm going to end the stream as well. I will try to see you in the FOMC meeting, or else we will just trade the London session tomorrow. Thank you.